friends, how's everybody doing? Well, we are having a 14 zone irrigation system put in for the next 3 days. It's really noisy. I'm going to be having people coming and going in the house. I have some other contractors coming. I had to go with a plan B because I can sort of sequester myself to this room without really being noticed. I just don't want these people coming and going and thinking, my goodness, this lady has lost her marbles. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some Amazon finds that are, for me, a must-have. They far exceeded my expectations. The value is great, the quality is great, and I really want to share them with you because, as you all know, fall items tend to go, and when I showcase them on my channel, usually they go pretty quick. So excited with some of these items. They're fabulous. So before I get into sharing these items, I have an announcement, and my announcement is you have to come back and see me Friday. It's going to be a great video, and it's also a collaboration, and I'm not going to give away the person just yet, but I can tell you that when you see her on Friday, if you don't know her already, I guarantee you will be subscribing because she is Talent Personality Plus. So in Friday's video, we're both going to be doing something different in regards to fall. And that's all I'm going to say. I hope you'll join me because I think it's going to be fabulous and entertaining. Let me share with you some of my new Amazon finds. So to start, I got 2 new cookbooks. What I loved about this one is it says Harvest. I don't know about you guys, but I love bindings. And it's brown, it says Harvest. What's not to love? Look at the cover. And you guys, the pictures are so pretty. The pictures are just gorgeous. And like I said, beautiful, beautiful pictures. You can't go wrong with this book. You just can't. It's called Half Baked Harvest, Quick and Cozy. I got this really adorable cookbook, and this one is called Pumpkin Recipes. Hello, I love the cover. Here's the binding. Look how cute that's gonna look in the kitchen. And the pictures are so cute. You guys, I highly recommend pumpkin biscottis. Who's a dunker here? I am. I love a good biscotti dipped in my morning coffee. Pumpkin seed brittle, savory pumpkin hummus, curried ginger pumpkin soup. I love these soups for fall. Good old pumpkin pie. Must have for your kitchen. That's if you like pumpkin. All things pumpkin. Okay, next, look at this pumpkin I found on Amazon. Personally thought it wasn't going to be that great of quality. Check it out. It's coppery looking. It is so cute. I love this. Highly recommend. Who doesn't love a really cute serving board, tray, whatever you want to call it? This is by Melrose International, which is a really good brand on Amazon. It's more on the high-end side. And I just thought this was adorable. These come in 2 different sizes. This is the largest one, and there is a smaller one. I'll put a picture of what it looks like right there. Adorbs. Adorable for any kitchen, tabletop. Put it in a plate stand and you've got a really cute look. You can even add some fall florals off to the side. A must-have. So yesterday I was playing with some of my fall decor and I got 2 of these garlands. Very, very good quality, very good. And I'm gonna highly recommend this one as well. It fluffs out beautifully and the colors are magnificent. So when you get it, you just unravel it. And look how pretty the colors are. I'm really impressed with this garland. If you want to go big and bold, what you do is you get yourself a really pretty green garland and intertwine it with this to give it an even more substantial look, or use it as is, but it's so pretty. Look at the little pieces. Or you can get yourself some of the eucalyptus stems is what I would recommend if you want to save a little money. If you wanted to put this up on your mantle and you wanted it to look a little more substantial, I would buy the eucalyptus stems on Amazon. I'll put a picture right here. They are fabulous, highly recommend. And intertwine them, stick them in and fluff them. They fluff out beautifully. And so does this garland. And you know, it's just gorgeous. Really pretty, love. So I saw this wreath on Amazon and I'll tell you what, I wanted to go a little bit darker and moodier with my fall colors, and my baby, my youngest daughter, I started putting up more of the maroons and burgundy, and she was like, Mom. And I said, yeah. She goes, I want the fall traditional colors. I want you to go all out, all out. She goes, I love the burgundy and the wine colors, but nothing says fall like those vibrant fall colors. I was like, really? I wanted to try something different this year. She said, Mom, you have to. It just wouldn't be fall if you didn't do it like every other year with the traditional colors. So I said, okay, all right. And I'm so glad she told me to do that, because as much as I love the darker, moodier fall colors, when I started playing with this yesterday, because I bought two, and when I put it up, I went, yep, I see what she means. It draws you in, it really evokes all the feelings of fall. It truly does. So this wreath is definitely a must-have. This is what it looks like when you open it. Look at those colors, you guys. Haven't even fluffed this out. And yet, you can see how gorgeous this wreath is going to be. I will tell you that I did something a little cray-cray, which you will see Friday, because I saw this wreath and I'm like, it has to go in the kitchen. It just has to. And I can't tell you how much I love it. It made such a focal point in there. Anyway, it has different size berries. It has little pumpkins. I just love the leaf colors. It's got the burnt orange. It's just a textural masterpiece, because they have incorporated everything that makes a wreath look gorgeous. I get these pumpkins every single year, and I find more and more ways to use them as bowl filler. So highly recommend these. These are a must-have for me. Great quality. Okay, next I'm gonna put a picture right here of the next floral stems I picked up on Amazon. But what I loved about them is the cascading effect, how they just kind of like flow. You can droop them kind of over. So when you pull them out of the box, the stem part is bent. And let me just unbend them so you can see the length. They don't look like anything special right now, but trust me when I say, my goodness, these are my new favorites. I decided to get the one that comes with 6. And the color is so pretty. It's got the burnt orange, it's got the lighter greenish yellow mustardy color. It has these little pumpkins. And at first I was like, I don't know if I like that orange. It's a bit bright, it's a bit bright. You'll just have to trust me when I say how gorgeous this is. I actually did my mantle yesterday. I was playing with it. I'm not done, but this mixed with my green garland, holy smokes, this pops. It looks so good. I highly, highly recommend these. I also put mine in a vase. What I love about this is how easy these are to bend and play with. And you always want to give your stems movement. And so you can make these, you can take this, bend it, mix it with some greens, and then play with the stems. Get that, sort of cascading effect. Really pretty, fun to work with, 5 stars for me. Then I decided to get myself some coppery pumpkins. So you get a bunch of pumpkins, but look at the color. And when you put them with these colors, the mustardy yellow green, the burnt orange, the pop of orange, it just gives it such a beautiful autumn look. Highly recommend. I decided to get some hand soap for the kitchen. It's called Pumpkin Delight. Of the seal, the pumpkin, so cute. And then I got a huge stack of these plaid napkins for my tablescape in the dining room. And I think they're awfully cute. And you get a bunch of them, which is great. And in my dining room, it seats 8 people, and I still had leftover ones that I can drape over baskets or bowls just to give that little autumn touch. So in my dining room, I'm adding pops of black and gold. And I saw these, I thought they were so cute that I ended up getting 2. And you'll see that when I do my dining room decorate with me. I think they came in 4 different colors. Pretty sure I saw 3 or 4 different versions. And so anyway, I wanted you to see how cute these look stacked. I ended up getting this velvety pillow cover that's ruffled for 2 of my club chairs. It's very soft, and I think I'll be able to stuff my pillow in there with ease. But anyway, super cute. Now, I've shared Mr. Squirrel before. I just took him out of a box yesterday and added his acorns. He's so cute. Amazon, Amazon. Next, I'm gonna share a set of taper candle holders that I got on Amazon. Now, you get 3 of them. I did purchase 2 because I wanted to stagger them on my dining room table. And I love them. So now I'm gonna add a little clip that shows how I kind of put them together and how they look once you get them all lit up. Let there be light. Oh, and this is the candle set that I got to go in the taper candle holders. And they're great. They're fabulous. I love that they're ribbed, and I love the color. You can't go wrong. Roll the clip. Candle LED set I got was this right here. Come in different colors, and because I originally thought I was going with the more moody look, I ended up getting this one, and it's really pretty. I will tell you, it's pretty. So you can see here, you get 3 candles in one candle. How cool is that? I got a stack of these salad plates, and I just got the 10-inch in yesterday. Let me tell you how much fun these are when you work in your fall decor with these plates. This is just used as a backdrop, but it pops. I shared these and these, I think it was like a week or 2 ago. They're gorgeous. I shared these really pretty flowers you can get on Amazon. I'll link those below, and I put them in a gold pot. Okay, and one of the last things I want to share are these really cute pumpkins. They come in this box, and you do have to put the little stems on. I will tell you that, but I liked the look of the pumpkin, and I have seen others use these in with their florals, and it pops. So like I said, in that box, it comes with the little gold stem. You just poke it in, just like that. It also comes with a bunch of leaves. You could probably use these as bowl filler and then scatter the leaves in with it. So that's an option. And if those leaves are too bright for you, just get some leaves that are more muted and then add these adorable pumpkins in. All right, friends, that will wrap up my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, I'm sorry that it wasn't a decorate with me, but I will be making up for it on Friday's video. Trust me on that. So come back and see me Friday. You won't want to miss that video collab. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.